fructose. So just now we have learned that fructose can be prepared from sugar. Yes. So cane sugar or sugars C12, H22, O11. It is obtained glucose. Now we know the structure of glucose and fructose. So fructose formula is C6H12O6. So it is observed that it is having keto group. Yes. So again I would like to explain in a synthetic method. Synthesis of, this is not available in any textbook, students. Even Martin Boyd also you may not find. Synthesis of fructose. Right? Take D-glucose. We know this is D-glucose. D-glucose. When I treat it with phenylhydrazine, 3 moles of phenylhydrazine NH2, it is going to form glucosazole NH phenyl, and this is also is going to form double bond. I can write or I can write for understanding CnNH. And dear students, it is usually alcohols are not going to give this phenylhydrazine osazole formation, but since it is expected that it is going to be in the form of this enolization, it can enolize like this, right? So during enolization it can obtain or have this enol form. So it is also having remaining same. So this keto formation may take place. So that is why it is strong osazole forming agent. So it forms diosazole, glucosazole, and these are bright crystalline long crystals, students. You may enjoy the crystal structure. It is like sharp crystals, glossy sharp crystals. This much size you will get it. Right? So this is CH2OH. Remaining structure is same. OH, and this is left side OH. So this glucosazole when I treat it with excess benzaldehyde, so this cleave takes place and this ozone is going to exchange with this benzaldehyde to give this aldehyde, and this is ketone. Ozone, it is known as ozone, CH2OH, and remaining hydroxy, and hydrogen. This is known as ozone. Yes, ketone and aldehyde. We know that when I use mild reducing agent, so what about this benzaldehyde? It is going to form 2 moles of this carbon, hydrogen is here, NH phenyl. Yes, benzyl phenylosazone it is going to form. Right, it is different. So this ketone and aldehyde, when I use mildly reducing agent like zinc in acetic acid, right? So zinc is going to liberate hydrogen, or it is going to reduce this only aldehydes. Chemoselective reduction is going to take place. So this is going to give, it is going to reduce this aldehyde into alcohol. So CH2OH, and remaining this is CH2OH, and it is OH and OH. Dear students, the structure of this compound is conformed by this preparation. It is fructose. What is the name? D-fructose. However, its rotation is LEVO minus D minus fructose. Yes. So, in this series, if I write 4 compounds, fructose, ketoses, 6-membered ketoses. Let me write. So, CH2, OH, CH2, OH, CH2OH. Dear students, you may not get this material anywhere. CH2OH, CH2OH, and CH2OH, CH2OH. You can prepare from that carbohydrate 8 carbons among, if you take allose or altrose, you are going to get this compound. So this is OH right side. In all compounds, OH right side, OH right side, and OH right side. And then in this, OH is going to be right side. Yes, so this is also going to have right side. This side, it is OH, and this is OH. And in this case, all are same side. So allose same side, for example. And this is can be prepared from here or here, and like it is, for example, we have prepared from glucose. Yes, so towards right, left, then right, and this is left. Yes, students. So if you want, I can write left side is hydroxy with blue color. Yes. So by this sequence you are going to get these compounds. So the sequence is how I did ozone formation followed by benzaldehyde exchange, right? So what we are going to get here, it is ketone. Here we have ketone. Here we have ketone. Here we have ketone. What are the names? What are the names? So it is fructose. Is it correct? This is D minus fructose, and this is PFST first. So Psicose. It is known as Psicose. D P silent straight. Psicose. Psicose. D fructose. PFS. D Sorbose. And this is D Tagatose. Yes, this is how you can prepare, and this is from glucose, and this is from allose or altrose. Both okay. This is glucose or mannose. Dear students, one more thing I forget to explain. So the alpha and beta glucose is known as anomers. C1 anomers. Yes. So D glucose and D mannose are C2 epimers. These are all nomenclature, right? Anomers. Alpha and beta glucoses are anomers. And that carbon is known as anomeric carbon. Carbon 1 is known as anomeric carbon. Right. So Psicose can be prepared from allose and altrose, and fructose can be glucose or mannose. And here it is gladly makes gums. Glucose in ionose can be prepared this Sorbose, Galactose or thanks. Talose will give this Tagatose. This is how you can prepare these ketoses. These are very, very important, students. Let us see, is it going to be this way? Fructose? No, students. Fructose also is going to have cyclic structure. Let us see the cyclic structure. Yes, friends, you can take the snapshot, screenshot please, because you are not going to get these structures, I am sure. Please take the screenshot. CH2OH and it is C double bond and remaining CH2OH. What are the hydroxy groups? Similar to glucose, since we prepared from glucose. Right side, then it is left side. This is the D-fructose. And again, what is this? Carbonyl compound and alcohols are here. Yes, it undergoes formation of, this is D minus fructose. Hemiester formation takes place, friends. So in this case, C 2, 3, 4 and 5. And carbonyl carbon of 2 cyclizes or gives acetal formation with C5 hydroxy group. So it is going to take up this and this is going to have two forms, epimers. So how it is going to exist? If I write this is OH towards right side, and when this hydroxy group is towards right side, it should be alpha. And this is CH2OH, that is carbon 1. Now remaining carbon chain, no disturbance, So here it is going to have this cyclic structure, right? So here it is going to be in this cyclic form. Now remaining, what is there? This carbon, it is going to have this hydroxy, and this is left side, which is towards left. Yes? So this is 1, 2, 3 and 4, 5 and 6 carbon. And this CH2OH is intact. This is alpha D minus fructose. Yes? So this is Fischer projection. And similarly, say what I wrote, it is A. And if it opens towards left side, say it is B. It is going to give, this is OH and this side is CH2OH and remaining CH2OH. And what about this? It is going to have same cyclic structure like this, and it is having hydroxy, and this is OH, right? And it is going to be like this. What is the name? It is beta D minus fructose. Yes. So let us see the ring size. How many carbons are there? 1, 2, 3, 4 and this is 5. Means it is a 5-membered ring. This 5-membered ring I can write like this. What it is? It is heterocyclic compound furan. This is furan. So similar to this furan, fructose is going to exist in this furan form. So the fructose is also known as fructofuranose. Right, students? So it is going to exist. Now hydroxy group is right side. How to write? So this is carbon 2, 3, 4 and 5. Right? Hydroxy group is right side. So I must write down. And what about this carbon? Yes, it is CH2. So this is C2 and C3. Left side. Where to write? Towards left side means this inside. Isn't it? So this is inside. Then C4. C4 right side downwards. So let us write here. And this C5, yes, right side, it is already right side. And what about this CH2H? This CH2H, usually it takes up this CH2H and hydrogen is CH2H and this is the hydrogen. Yes? So this is alpha D minus furanose. Yes students, so alpha D minus furanose, and it is the optical rotation of furan was observed is minus 92.4 degrees. Yes, it is exists in a mixture, but it is exists in two forms. It is alpha D furanose. This is the structure what we are going to have in sucrose. So you must understand this structure, how I am writing. So alpha D minus furanose, fructofuranose. Yes. Similarly, this is when I write in this form. Hydroxy is left side. Where to write? Above. So this is beta. And this downward, yes, CH2OH, it is downside. And same hydroxy left. Here also let me write OH with this OH. So inside, right side. And this is already cyclized. And what about this CH2H? Is it going to disturb? No, it is going to be same, and remaining these are the hydroxy groups. And this is beta D minus fructofuranose. So what about this? Beta is belongs to this hydroxy position upside. D is D series. Minus means LIGO rotation, optical rotation 92 minus 92.4. Fructose, and it is written in the furanose form. So fructofuranose. This is how you are going to get fructofuranose structure. Yes, students. And this alpha and beta are known as epimers. Alpha and beta compounds are known as anomers. And this carbon is known as anomeric carbon. In fructoses, it is C2. In aldoses, it is C1. Yes, anomers. C1 or C2 anomers. Alpha and beta fructoses are C2 anomers. Yes, students. So this is how fructose exists in furanose form. Let us see disaccharides. Dear students, I hope you are enjoying this topic. Please subscribe my channel Venus Academy if you have not yet subscribed, and don't forget to click on like button and bell button.